Good morning, everyone. Today, Class 3 presents before you a special assembly on Vanmahotsav. Come, let us find out the importance of planting trees.
Grandpa, what are you doing? Your hands are also dim. Are you looking for something?
No, dear, I'm planting a sapling with these seeds.
Sapling? But why?
And Desha, today your baby sister has come into our family. And to make this day a memorable one, I'm planting a sapling. Just the way the newborn will grow each day. Similarly, the sapling shall slowly grow into a plant. Every time when you look at your baby sister, she will also remind you of a baby plant growing in a garden.
But Grandpa, what is the need of this sapling?
Let me tell you something about why this sapling is so important. Every year, India celebrates Vanmahotsav, the festival of trees, in the first week of July. This annual festival was started by K.M. Munshi, the Minister for Food and Agriculture in 1950, to spread awareness about the contribution of tree plantation and conservation of forests, maintaining balance in the environment.
Trees contribute to the environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. Trees control the climate by moderating the effects of sun, rain, and wind.
Today, we are paying back for the wrong that we have done to the nature and our Mother Earth in the form of a global pandemic. Nature has turned its face from mankind. Our cruelty has resulted in loss of greenery, wildlife, and has played a great role in the increasing global warming. Deforestation, pollution, excess usage of chemicals in soil has led to the decrease in the number of plants and trees that otherwise would have given out oxygen to such an extent that this world would have recovered better without depending on extra production of oxygen.
And Desha, as you know, because of this increasing gap between nature and mankind, we have been trapped into a pandemic. These testing times of COVID 19 is the most appropriate time to make people realize the importance of planting trees, which not only give us oxygen but also clean air, free of pollution for breathing. If today we plant a tree on the day a new member has come into this world, not only do we create resources to sustain the life of just one but many others around us.
Yes, Grandpa, there are so many people who are struggling for oxygen. We cannot undo the acts done in past, but we can definitely improve the future by planting just one sapling on special days such as birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries. Only we have the power to help nature to recover from this condition.
I have a sapling of the money plant, which is very beneficial, as the air given out by the money plant is known to have more oxygen and helps in easy breathing.
Hey, Anvesha,
Hi, Himanshu.
what are you doing?
We are planting saplings for a greener world which is now ready to rectify their mistakes and hold the hand of nature to fight out coronavirus.
Wow! Early this morning, my teacher explained to me about Chipko movement, which was a group of action in India with the goal of saving trees. This was mainly done through act of hugging trees to protect them from being cut. It had been initiated by Sri Sundar Boguna, whose demise has been in news lately. Let me share a picture of him. He might not be present to use the gifts of nature, but he selflessly worked in his times so that the future generation could make use of trees and plants.
Absolutely. Humans have cut down trees to make roads for their convenience, but today no man can be seen on the street. Nature has thrown back the cruelty we served them all these years. Now it's time for plants and animals to live freely and humans to stay locked indoors.
I shall plant a tomato and a chili plant because I don't want mother to travel to the market during COVID. I wish I could grow all the vegetables here.
Great thought, Manju. Let us all cut the green, not the green.
Yes, Grandma. The world shall be a happy place to live in once again.
Yes, nature will forgive us, but we must restore all the natural resources and make Mother Earth a beautiful planet.
We have done our bit. Now it is your turn. Let us all contribute by planting one sapling on the special day of Vanmahotsav and promise to restore nature, which is the only path to recovery and well-being.
Help Mother Earth recover, because if she dies, none will survive. So friends, today we have been reminded about the importance of nature in the lives of human beings. We must hold the hands of nature in order to survive. Our dominance over nature has resulted in such tough times that we are now in a battle to survive. Thank you.